Hi, my name is Arif. Nice to meet you.
Hello.
I'm Mia.
Nice to meet you too.
Are you new here? I haven't seen you before.
Yes, I just moved to this city last week. Everything feels new.
Oh, welcome. I hope you like it here. Where are you from?
I'm from Jaipur.
What about you?
I'm from Delhi, but I've been living here for 2 years.
That's nice. So, what do you do?
I work in a software company as a junior developer. And you?
I'm a teacher. I teach English in a small school.
Wow, that sounds interesting. Do you enjoy teaching?
Yes, I love it. I like working with children. They are full of energy.
That's true. I sometimes teach coding to kids on weekends, and they ask funny questions.
Haha, I can imagine. What are your hobbies?
I like reading books, cooking, and playing cricket. I also enjoy traveling.
Great.
I love traveling too. I also like music, painting, and watching movies.
Nice. Which type of movies do you like?
Mostly comedy and drama.
And you?
I like action and adventure movies.
Do you have any plans for the weekend?
Not really. Maybe I'll go for a walk. We'll try a new cafe.
Oh, I want to explore some cafes too. Maybe we can go together.
That sounds good. I would like that.
Perfect.
Let's exchange numbers.
Sure. Here you go.
Thank you.
See you soon.
See you. Take care.